Hey, it's Andrea with Sucs For You in Houston, Texas, and I don't know if you can hear that, but I bought some seeds from Mesa Gardens, and they came really quickly, even though they said they were gonna take like a couple of weeks to be processed. But very excited. We've got three types of Faucaria. There's I'm gonna drop them. Let's see. There's Faucaria felina, a Faucaria cradockensis, a Faucaria tigrina from Gowie's Kloof. That's in South Africa. I'm gonna butcher this one. Gymnocalycium, ochoterenae. Variety is tenuispinum, which means little spines. Pretty sure. Mammillaria gaumeri and Copiapoa maritima. So I already have some trays ready to plant, and these I just got on Amazon. I'll link to them in the video description. And it's cool because they're clear, and then they come with a little tray, and then they come with a dome, and then they also come with like a little plastic piece to cover that and offer an option for ventilation. So yeah, let's get started. I have 3 of these trays, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the seeds. I'm gonna just split them up, 2, 4, 6. We got 6 types of seeds, and should be plenty of room for these guys over here. And I also bought a seedling heat mat, which I've never used before, and I'm pretty excited about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these going, and then yeah, we'll report back at the first sign of life. How about that? I'm going to do this off camera just because I don't feel like setting up my tripod, and I'm literally just going to pour these seeds into my hand and then distribute them on top of the soil, cover them up, and that's going to be it. After I make a label, I'll show you guys what that looks like when I'm done. Be right back. And there we go, and these first top 3 pods are the ones that I have the Faucaria felina seeds in. And I meant to tell you that I went ahead and I put water in this tray, and then I put the soil filled inserts into the tray. So these are all already watered and wet and ready to go. I did go back with a little bit of water and then top water as well. So these are not going to be needing to be watered for a really long time, especially after I put the dome on top. And then, come on. I'm going to take a lid, put it on there, just like that. And I will be putting these in my garage under my grow lights. And here we are. Here's the grow mat. It's already on. It feels a little bit warm already. Got some of the trays are set up here. I'm using the seed mat because it's going to get cold here in a few more days, and I don't want to have them inside because I don't have any more room on my windowsills, and of course seeds need a good light to germinate. There's I don't know, it could be about a week or so before we start seeing anything happening, because it is early February, February 7th to be exact. Here's some other seedlings I was going to show you guys. I don't know what these are. A friend gave them to me, and they weren't really labeled, so I put, no, that's not what it's, well, it might be a Gymnocactus from Brandy. I'm not sure, but they're cute. Aren't they cute? And then these are the Fralias when we harvested the seeds in a previous video. And they don't look like Fralia. In fact, I saw somebody in a cactus forum saying, yeah, the seedlings of those definitely don't look like their moms. They referred to them as ugly, and I was like, oh, how can a seedling be ugly? That's not nice. But they went through an ugly phase. They're starting to look cute again. This is a seedling. This is a epiphyllum. You guys, some of my longtime watchers may remember me showing you guys this epiphyllum seedling. I started some passion flowers from this delicious fruit I got at a Mexican market down the road. And it was like so delicious. I saved some of the seeds instead of eating them, and they're doing really well thanks to the power of grow lights. More seedlings, Adenium obesum, super cute. My other Faucarias, I lost one of these seedlings that I started to, like a stupid caterpillar. It had like made a cocoon down in and just decimated it before I even really noticed. So what else do we have? Oh, these are my Dioscorea elephantiasis seedlings, and they're really cute. And someone's like, those leaves are too big to be elephantiasis. It might be another kind. I don't think so. I think it's elephantiasis, but got some little codexes coming up, and yeah, other than that, this is my table in my garage. Again, it is 70 here now, and it's warm, but it's going to start again getting cool. We're going to have some lows in the high 30s at night. I'm trying to see. That's a seedling. What's going on under there? I'm going to check that out. That's weird. What's happening here? Anyways, okay. Seedling. That's a seedling. That's a seedling. That's a seedling. And these are all seedlings. I think that's it. I think that's it for now. I have some other stuff I'm going to start and some other stuff I've already started. You want to see? They're not succulents, but so these are really cute. These are called Tiny Tim tomatoes, and they're like they're container tomatoes, and they make the little tiny tomatoes like blueberry size, which I really like. And what else? Oh, I started some serranos. So we're gonna have some peppers, and we're gonna have some little baby tomatoes, and then I'm soaking some beet seeds. I'm gonna go put those in the ground, and then I'm contemplating starting some cucumbers. So we'll see about that. But that's what we're doing. Oh, here's some sad chives. Like, I forgot about them and I didn't water them, and then there's some chives. Yeah, here's a little tiny big potato. This tray here is some like old seed I started back on, looks like mid-January, and I don't really see anything happening with it yet, and I'll give it another couple weeks before I give up on it. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That would be awesome. And I appreciate you guys. Oh, do you want to see one more thing? One more update? This is that echeveria in a video that I chopped because it was like super wonky and the stem was funky. And getting lots of good roots. And to water this, I'll like pick up the plant like this and then water the top and then put it back down. Give it a little, do that. This is a gorgeous Graptivaria Silver Star that I had to top because the stem on it was getting wonky too. It's so cool. Oh, last thing for real, okay? This is the other Graptivaria Silver Star. Graptivaria? Yeah. And it was really messed up. It got sunburned, so it was like half. You can see where like a lot of the leaves are missing. The leaves. And so cool. Like literally half this plant wasn't there. It was just half. And then now it's just coming back full throttle. Oh. All right, guys. Later.